Hey guys, it's Erin. For this first design, I'm going to be painting a Christmas pudding, so I'm painting my nail brown. Then I'm taking some white acrylic paint and a small brush and painting an abstract, kind of cloud-like shape at the cuticle of my nail. Once that's dry, I'm going in with a green nail polish and adding some little leaves. Then I'm taking a dotting tool and a red nail polish and adding berries. Finish with a top coat, and there you have an easy Christmas pudding nail. This next design is a little Santa suit, so I'm starting with a red base. Then with a dotting tool and either white acrylic paint or a nail polish, I'm going straight down the middle of my nail in a line, and then I'm creating a line of dots along the free edge of my nail as well. Then take a brush and some black nail polish and paint a horizontal stripe across the middle of your nail. And finish Santa's belt by painting a gold rectangle. Apply a top coat, and there you have a cute little Santa suit. For this design, I'm starting with a white base. Once the white is dry, I'm taking a green nail polish and painting a curved, kind of abstract green French tip across the bottom of my nail. Then I'm taking a red nail polish and creating a similar shape slightly above the green line. Again, you can really get creative here because this is an abstract look. Then to bring in some holiday sparkle, I'm taking a gold nail polish and just outlining the red line. Finish with a top coat, and there you have a really elegant abstract Christmas nail look. This next design also has a red base. Once that's dry, I'm going to create a Christmas plaid design by taking a white nail polish and doing one line straight down the side of my nail. And then I'm doing another white line horizontally across my nail, making sure to vary the widths. Then I'm taking a green, creating some other lines on the other side of my nail. And lastly, just adding in some gold accents. You can change up the arrangement of the lines to really make a unique plaid pattern. And of course, finish with a top coat. Now for this nail, I'm doing a white base. Then I'm taking a small brush and some green nail polish, and I'm going to be painting a little Christmas tree. Once you've painted your tree, add some ornaments with any color you'd like. I chose red. And of course, I have to add a little gold star at the top of my tree. Finish your Christmas tree nail with a top coat. For this design, I'm doing a red base on my nail. And then I'm going to be turning my nail into a little present, so I'm going to be taking a green nail polish and painting a cross across my nail. And then adding the tie of the bow by putting a dot in the center of that cross and two rounded triangle shapes on either side. And there you have some easy, all wrapped up Christmas nails. For this design, I'm painting my nail gold. Then I'm going to be painting some holly leaves, so I'm painting an L shape first and then just adding the leaves on the holly. And then where those two holly leaves meet, I'm putting two red dots for the berries. And of course, apply a top coat to finish your design. For this one, I'm going to paint my nail white. Then I'm going to paint a little Christmas wreath, so I'm creating a kind of messy guideline of a circle shape across the middle of my nail. And it doesn't have to be perfect because I'm going to be adding all the little leaves in short little brush strokes just to kind of create the illusion of the leaves. Do the brush strokes on both sides of the circle just so everything looks really full and kind of like a leafy wreath. Once that's dry, I'm taking a red nail polish and of course adding a little bow to the wreath. If you'd like, you can even make the little tassels hang down. Finish your design with a top coat. For this design, I'm going to do a little holiday penguin, so I'm starting off with a black base. Once that's dry, I'm painting a smaller white section across my nail. Then with the dotting tool, I'm adding 2 dots for their eyes. And painting a yellow triangle for the beak. Then to put this penguin in the holiday spirit, I'm going to be painting a little red scarf across him. You can really make the eyes pop by adding a small dot of white on top of the black dots. Finish with the top coat and there you have a cute little Christmas penguin. And for this design, I'm going to do an easy Christmas floral print, so I'm starting off with a green base. Then I'm taking a big dotting tool and doing 5 dots of red in a circle to create a flower shape. And make sure you fill in the center of the flower as well. You can repeat this with as many flowers as you want. I decided to do just 2. Then with a smaller dotting tool, I'm repeating this with white and creating a smaller flower shape inside of the red one. Then I'm adding another dot of green to the center of each flower. And finally, a dot of gold to the center. Finish with the top coat and there you have a super easy dotted Christmas floral design. So there you have all 10 cute and easy Christmas nail designs. You can mix and match them or do any of these across all of your nails. We really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more from Q Polish, you can click the boxes here and click the circle here to subscribe to Q Polish for a new video every week. You can also click the circle here to subscribe to my personal nail art channel.